Yo guys, it's Jay here back again, and today I want to actually do a video about repairing my headlight bulb. It just went out on me a couple of days ago. I didn't notice till the other day when someone told me about it. And let me show you guys. And there is two settings. There is the low beam setting, and then there's a high beam. My high beams are fine, and it's my low beam that it's needs to be replaced. In case you guys don't know the difference, this is pretty much your low beam setting. The bulb that goes right, see, that one's fine. This is the low beam bulb that goes there, and this is the one for the high beam that should shine. That one's fine, it turns on. In case you guys didn't know the difference. Alright, and the tools you'll need to replace that is pretty much a socket wrench, a 10mm, and a crosshead screwdriver, and a flathead to prop out they're kind of like push pins. You gotta unscrew them first, then you gotta pop them out. And then obviously the bulb. We'll set that over there. And for some cars, you have to remove the front bumper. Luckily, with my car, all you got to do is pretty much remove these two bolts, 10mm, and take out these screws, 4 screws with they're pretty much screws with push pins. And let's get started. All right. I'm pretty much kind of newbie on vehicles. I know somewhat. I'm not an expert, but it's pretty much simple once I start watching. I watch videos as well to help me figure out how to install and repair my vehicles and parts. And now time to take out the screws. When I have an issue with this one, sometimes it doesn't want to unscrew. I usually push down the pen, unscrew. Sometimes that works. If not, screw it. We're just gonna pop it out. Hopefully it doesn't break. Oh, actually. Will you look at that? All right, awesome. And what I like to do, I usually just organize the bolts and screws and push pins that I take out so I don't lose them. I set these aside. So this removes this, the air duct of the vehicle, which you need to remove to take out the headlight. I just either set it aside somewhere. Won't bother. And now, to remove the headlight, you pretty much just gotta wiggle it out. It's pretty tight.
One eternity later.
It's almost out. What's the damage I did? It's not that bad. It's okay. Well, guys, we actually got it out now, so that's really good. That was actually kind of difficult. All right. Anyways, back to the headlight. The bulb we need to replace, we got to remove this. There's supposed to be a screw here. Looks like there's none. Okay. So I heard you gotta twist it, I believe, to remove. Oh, yeah, you do. All you gotta do is pretty much twist it. What is it? Counterclockwise, and just pull it out. It's pretty much gonna pull out on its own. And there it is. Pretty much, it tells you right here this right side to lock it, so you gotta turn it to the left. And there we go. There's the bulb. And now time to get our new fresh bulb. Make sure I don't crack it. Pretty. All right. Yep, looks like it's it. I'm just making sure I put it in correctly. And I'm pretty sure all you gotta do is just pull it out, I believe. But make sure, guys, you do this when the cars cool down. Don't do it right away when you're just driving your car, have the headlights on. It's gonna be extremely hot, and you don't want to touch a hot car. I actually learned that the hard way. And yeah, all you do is pretty much just pull it out from the sides, and just make sure it's pushed in, and make sure that's leveled down all the way down flat onto this little plastic piece. And there you go. And take the old one, screw it, don't break. Okay, there you go, didn't break. Now we put it in. Which way did I do it? Pretty sure it was this way. Oh, okay, I got it. I think I got it. Oh, we go in and then lock it. There we go. And then you'll hear a click. Yes, guys, it is my first time doing this, so I learn as I go, which is fine, since I'm not doing a bad job, I believe, since we pretty much nailed it. Okay, it's let me show you guys. Right here, you'll see kind of like a cross. You pretty much gotta match them right there, and it'll flush down, and then you twist it clockwise. There you go, all the way. When there's supposed to be a screw there, which is fine. We can worry about that another day. When we put it in, I gotta push this back up. There we go. I was wondering what the hell won't go. And just match the holes. Make sure they line up. And before we actually tighten that, we're going to check if we actually fixed it. I'm pretty sure I did it right. It's replacing a bulb, right, guys? How hard is that? All right. Let's see. I kind of already saw the reflection of it, the light. Well, you look at that. How am I so good? I know it's just a bulb, but I actually feel really great when I replace something and it's first time and it actually comes out successful. All right, guys, and that's done. Everything's cleared. Throw out the old bulb, and that was a successful bulb replacement. Didn't take too long. It ran actually smoother than I expected. I replaced this one, and this one I really struggled with, so I was kind of afraid about that one. How tough was it gonna be for me to pull out? But looks like it's all right. It's very sturdy. All right, fine, awesome, great, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because I will be also not just repairing the vehicle on what it needs, also doing modifications, which I actually have some things coming in that I'm going to be replacing. And like I said, guys, most of these things are pretty much like my first time. I learn as I go, which it's really fun for me. And cross my fingers, hope I don't screw up. And that's it, guys. Catch me in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.